So good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. So what did we deal in the last class? Do you remember?
Happy Prince.
We started the
Happy story.
learned about the details about him.
Yes.
We discussed
We discussed
about Oscar Wilde.
about the author.
Wilde.
Okay.
Oscar Wilde.
Okay. One by one. Okay. Now everyone, please mute. I know that you're very active and energetic. So you all will be giving me responses together. So I will call out your names and you have to answer me one by one. So in the last class, we discussed about the author. Okay. So Isha Binoy,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you remember about our author? What is the name of our author? The author
Oscar
of
Wilde.
Oscar Wilde.
yes.
Oscar Wilde.
The author of our story, Happy Prince, is Oscar Wilde. Catherine Maria,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the nationality of the author? To which nation he belongs?
British.
British? Oh, wait.
Ireland.
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 Irish, yes. The author is an Irish writer. He belongs to Ireland. He was born in Dublin in Ireland. Okay. Then, Harsha,
Yes, ma'am.
do you remember his full name?
Ma'am, his name is a bit long.
Yes, his name is a bit lengthy. Why didn't you learn it by heart?
Oscar Phil. Don't remember it.
Yes, Gautam?
His name is very long.
Oscar
Willis.
Oh, finding it so difficult. Finding it so difficult to pronounce. Listen.
Can you show the letters?
Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty Wills Wilde. Okay. Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty Wills Wilde. 5 names for him.
Wow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
That's a bit tough.
Children, please mute. Please mute. One by one.
And can you tell the spell? Ma'am, can you show the full name of Oscar Wilde?
Who wants to know the full name?
And can you show name?
Wait, let me. Yes. I will show you. 1 second. Can you see the screen now? Can I write it here? No, it's not possible.
And someone's phone is ringing.
Children, that's why I told you, please keep it in muted mode. Everyone, please keep in muted mode. Please keep in muted mode. Okay, a white screen has come. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing here. Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What a big lengthy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Children, you did not mute it yet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, Oscar Wilde is a scientist also.
No, he's not a scientist. He's a novelist, he's a playwright, and a short story writer. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this is a full name. We have discussed this in the last
Ma'am,
class.
what's the meaning of
Fingal
playwright?
O'Flaherty Wills Wilde.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Short story writer.
Yes, he is popular as a short story writer, novelist. Novelist, is he a novelist?
Yes, ma'am.
Who told you?
No, ma'am.
Confused. He's not a novelist, he's a playwright. He's a playwright, short story writer, and poet.
Playwright
Yes.
or short story. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I was dead in 13th November 19.
Okay. So very good, children. I understood that you remember about the author.
And what's the meaning of playwright?
Playwright means the one who writes plays, dramas. Okay.
Dramas.
Place. That means various characters will be there, and that can be enacted on the stage. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Place.
found the
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I found the name of the sister and brother of Oscar Wilde.
Yes, I had given you the homework. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
You find it out?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Isla Wilde and Willie
So
Wilde.
Wild.
And Willie Wilde.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. John Sabi, you're not visible. You're not visible on the screen. Okay, children. So now we are moving on to a story. But before we start with the story, shall we learn some words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. We have to learn few words to pronounce. How to pronounce. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Can see the whiteboard.
Okay. So
Ma'am.
the first word is wait.
Tallow.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
wait.
Tallow.
Okay, that's better. I will give you the word and you listen to me. Okay. First word in the textbook it is there, so you can look at the word. How do you pronounce the word swallow? Swallow.
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 Are you all repeating after me?
Yes, ma'am.
Swallow.
Swallow.
Okay. Second word. Sorrow.
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 Okay. Third word. Sapphire.
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 Fire.
Fourth word. Gathering.
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 Okay.
Gathering.
Strength.
Gathering.
Strength.
Strength.
Children, are you all repeating after me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then repeat. Okay. Strength.
Strength. Strength.
Next word.
Strength.
Rating.
Migrating.
Rating.
Rating.
Migrating.
Migrating. Next word. Gratitude.
Gratitude.
Okay. Last. Precious.
Precious.
Little ones. Now everyone can mute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, who has got a doubt? Harsha. Yes.
This.
Harsha.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of the sixth word?
Sixth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Migrating.
Migrating.
Migrating. Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
migrating.
Thank you.
Okay. So children, please mute. I will call you one by one to ask for the pronunciation. Okay. So first one, Devak Menon. Look into your textbook and read out the first word with correct pronunciation. Devak, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
First word, SWALLOW. How do you pronounce the word?
Swallow.
Swallow. Repeat after me.
Swallow.
Swallow. Once again.
Swallow.
Rohit K. Jain. Unmute.
Ma'am.
First word.
Swallow.
Once again.
Swallow.
Swallow. Okay. Angelina Jose.
Yes, ma'am.
First word.
Swallow.
Okay, good. Adil. Make it fast. Unmute and the first word itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Fast, fast.
Which word?
First word.
Huh?
First word.
Swallow.
Swallow. Okay. Daniel. First word. Pronounce the first word.
Swallow.
Swallow. Okay. Isha Binoy.
Yes, ma'am.
Swallow.
Swallow.
Pronounce. Once
Swallow. Swallow.
again. Okay.
Swallow.
Children, do you have any confusion with regard to the first one?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First word. Second word. Ayman, unmute and pronounce the second word.
Sorrow.
Sorrow. Very good. Very good. Catherine.
Sorrow.
Catherine.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat the word with correct pronunciation.
Sorrow.
Sorrow. Manu.
Sorrow.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. The second word.
Sorrow.
Sorrow. Nandita.
Yes, ma'am.
Second word.
Sorrow.
Sorrow. Okay. Good.
Sorrow.
Now Agne. Second word. Make it fast.
Sorrow.
Sorrow. Okay. Sorrow. Brightlin. Third word.
Yes, ma'am.
Sapphire. Only
Sapphire.
Brightlin. Only Brightlin. Others, please keep it muted.
Sapphire.
Okay.
Ma'am, sapphire.
Sapphire. Okay.
Sapphire.
Anthony Joel. The same word.
Third word.
Third word. Third word.
Sapphire.
Sapphire. Ananda. Third word.
Sapphire.
Sapphire. Okay.
Sapphire.
Madhav. Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Pronounce the word.
Answer third one.
Yes. Third one.
Sapphire.
Okay. Good. Sapphire. Now Felix Nejo. Fourth word.
Gathering.
Gathering. Okay. Good. Harsha. The same word.
Gathering.
Once again.
Gathering.
Gathering. Okay. Ammu. The same word.
Gathering.
Good. John Sebi. The same word.
Oh my God.
Somebody is making some sound. John Sebi.
Ma'am.
Yes. The third word. John Sebi, can you hear me? John is not responding. Richard.
Yes, ma'am.
Pronounce the fourth word.
Gathering.
Gathering. Very good. Okay. Next. Dia. Fifth one.
Strength.
Strength. Very good. Perfect. Gautam. The same word.
Strength.
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 Once again. Strength.
Wow.
Okay. Anushree. The same word.
Strength.
Good. Alim. Next word.
Yes, ma'am.
Next word. Alan.
Migrating.
Migrating. Good.
Migrating.
Anandesh.
Yes, ma'am.
The same word.
Migrating.
Migrating. Okay. Srihari. The same word.
Migrating.
Okay. Good. Blesswin. Seventh word. Unmute. Unmute. Louder.
Gratitude.
Gratitude. Once again. Gratitude. Okay. Anina. The same word.
Gratitude.
Louder, please.
Gratitude.
Gratitude. Okay. Then who else? Alok. Alok. The same word.
Hello.
Alok. Where is Alok? Alok is not seen anywhere here. Okay. Now the last word. Chrisjo.
Precious.
Chrisjo.
Precious.
Chrisjo, where are you?
Precious.
Please
Precious.
mute. Those who are practicing,
Precious.
mute. Mute. I'm calling out the name of Chrisjo. Chrisjo? Chrisjo is not responding. Pranav, the last word. Pranav? Pranav, where are you?
Precious.
Pranav is not responding. Okay, so did anyone did not get a chance? Did I miss out anyone's name?
Richard.
Richard, yes. Richard.
Ma'am, you
Word.
called Richard.
You call Richard.
Okay, I call Richard. Chinmay, what happened? Why you were late to join the class?
My internet connection had some problems.
Okay. Do you have the text with you? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So who is going to pronounce the last word? Let me see.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I will.
Yeah, I can see
Ma'am,
many
I will.
hands here.
Ma'am, I will.
Abhimanyu. I think I did not call Abhimanyu's name. Abhimanyu, pronounce the last word.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhimanyu, unmute and read out. Make it fast. Abhimanyu, how do you pronounce the word? Precious. I cannot hear. Okay, Harsha.
Yes, ma'am.
Last word.
Precious.
Precious. Okay. So we'll practice it once again. You can say it in chorus. The first word, everyone please unmute.
Hello.
One should practice. Okay.
Hello.
Follow. Second word.
Sorrow.
Third word. Fire. Next, spring. Fifth word.
Migrating.
Next word. Are you with me now?
Yes.
Okay. Seventh word. Gratitude. And the last one.
Precious.
Precious. Okay, mute. Everyone can mute now. Mute. Quickly mute. So these are the words which we will be using in the story. Okay, you will find these words in the story. So The Happy Prince is a short story written by Oscar Wilde, and it's mainly written for children and it conveys a good message. Okay. So now my question is, children, what are the kinds of good qualities that you have? One by one you have to say, okay? First, Ammu, can you list out some of the good qualities that you have? Good qualities. Ammu.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what are the good qualities that you have? No qualities? Huh?
Somebody else should tell.
Everyone has got good and bad qualities. I asked you to tell me only good qualities. Ammu is keeping quiet. No response from her. Okay, Gautam. Gautam.
Ma'am, how I can tell the...
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, how I can tell another people should tell?
Gautam, I can't hear you. Your voice is very feeble.
Ma'am, he's saying how
Ma'am,
can you tell a good
can
quality
he tell
about
about
Gautam?
himself itself?
Ma'am,
Why can't we? Of course, we can tell
excuse
good
me,
things
ma'am.
about us.
Excuse me, ma'am.
It's not necessary that
Excuse
every
me, ma'am.
time others have to say.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, shall I tell a very, very bad quality of Gautam that he's like
No,
a
no, 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 no,
loudspeaker?
no, no, no. We don't have
No.
time to play. We don't have time to play. I'm just taking you into the story, and for that, I need to get a reply for this. Definitely, we can tell about the good qualities. We are conscious about ourselves, right?
Can I tell a
So
good
definitely we can
quality
tell.
about
We have to be aware of the good and bad qualities that we have. So when we come to know about bad qualities, we have to get rid of it. We have to avoid such kind of qualities from us. But positive qualities, good one can be inculcated within us. So for that, you have to be aware. So who's going to tell me? Ananda. Yes. Unmute and tell me.
good
Make it fast.
quality?
Hmm.
Can I think?
Oh my goodness. Thinking process also has to happen. Who can tell me? Oh my goodness. Little ones, you're putting me into trouble. Come on, answer me fast.
Ma'am, I can tell about Ammu.
No. You should tell about yourself, not anybody else.
Ma'am, I don't have good
Ma'am,
quality.
Oh my goodness. Don't say
Ma'am.
like that.
I will tell.
Okay.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Let me ask you. Okay, you have to listen to the question. Let me ask you, how many of you are friendly with other people? Raise your hand.
Me.
How many of you are friendly with other people? Okay.
I don't know.
Most of you are friendly with other people. I can see your hands. Okay, put on your hands. Then, how many of you smile when you see others?
I don't
Raise your
know.
hand. Oh, Richard has both the hands up. Okay. Okay. You all smile at others. Okay. How many of you help your friends or your parents at home? Yes? Okay. Many hands are up. How many of you try to comfort when you find that your friend is in trouble? How many of you will find a solution for that? So not only one hand, two hands are up. So what do you understand from all this?
We have
Are these all good qualities?
Yes, ma'am.
We are kind to others.
Yes. Being kind, being compassionate, being friendly, being obedient, being punctual, comforting others when they are in sorrow, smiling at other people when you meet them. All these are said to be good qualities. And don't you have all these qualities?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, did you understand how many qualities you have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
You're all filled
ma'am.
with so many
Yes,
good
ma'am.
qualities. Okay. So, when somebody asks you next time, what are the good qualities that you have to list out all these. Okay? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't ever say that I don't have a good quality. You should not tell anyone, I don't have a good quality. Definitely you have good qualities. Okay. A human being is always filled with positive and negative, good and
Good and bad quality.
okay. So, my next question is, when you help somebody else, will you be happy?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Happiness comes. From where this happiness come?
From inside.
Yes, from within, from inside. Happiness comes from within. When you help somebody else, we get a lot of satisfaction, and that will result in happiness. Somebody is making some shrieking noise here and there. Mute it, all of you. Mute. Okay, so happiness comes from within. We have to make others happy, and that is our responsibility. So when we help others, if we are getting happiness, that means there is a
Good
There is a
quality.
yes,
Quality
reason
about us.
for our life.
Yes, ma'am.
Why we are living on this world? Why we are on this earth? Yes, to spread happiness around. We are in this world to spread happiness around. We are in this world to help each other. We are in this world to comfort each other. Okay, we have to avoid all the kinds of problems, conflicts, quarrels, and all the kinds of disagreements. And we have to create happiness. So when we help others, happiness comes within us, and others also become happy. Okay. So, have you ever helped anyone? Pranav?
Yes, ma'am. I have did.
Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever
Ma'am, I
helped
am-
anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, today I make egg with my mother.
Okay. Ananda helped his mother in the kitchen. Okay, good. Who else? Richard?
Ma'am, Harsha. Ma'am, you start, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is stuck. Oh no. Power failure.
So power fail.
Power failure. Oh, then because of your noise, did the power failure go? Ananda is
Ayman.
Ananda is the host.
Me?
Ananda is the host.
She's not the
I
host.
am not the host.
Ayman.
Devak is the host.
Ayman.
Yes, boy.
Ma'am is the host.
Take the participants and check my name.
Ammul
Who is in the
How
host?
was my name of design?
Who is in the host?
Ayman. Did you check?
Ammu, can
Who is the host?
Ammu, can you mute me?
Ammu, you are the host.
Why I didn't understand.
Take the participants
Yes.
Participants.
and check my name and look the
Lots of
signs.
commas and designs.
Not comma. It is that the letters now.
Who is the host?
That's
This
not
song song.
letters.
Something.
Host.
Something like commas.
John Sebi is the host.
All of you mutants in ma'am will come now.
Ammu's the host.
Yeah, ma'am came.
Correct time.
The host.
Mute yourself.
Who is the host? Oh, ma'am is the host.
Children?
Mute Madhav.
Okay. There was a power failure.
Yes,
So that is why in between I disappeared. Okay. So we were discussing about helping people. So next class, it's almost time to wind up. So in the next class, when you come, this is going to be a homework. Are you listening?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next class, when you
Yes,
come,
ma'am.
you have to write your experience of helping a person. It can be either your father or your mother or your brother or sister or your friend. It could be anyone. Okay? Just write a small paragraph about helping somebody else and how you felt about it. Okay.
After that, how should
Ma'am, do we
Is
need
it
to
clear,
send
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Experience
You
means
have to write a small paragraph sharing your experience of helping a person and what you felt
Ma'am,
about
and
it.
should we send
Okay.
it to you? And should we send it to you?
No. We will discuss in the next class. You have to keep it ready in your rough book. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear children.
ma'am.
So in the next class, after discussing this, we will start with our story. And do not forget to practice the words which we did today. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll
Okay,
see you
ma'am.
next
Thank you,
class.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you in next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.